All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So creature. Creature. Like an animal. An animal. A creature. Let's try and get a picture. Creature. Anything. Creature. Creature of any kind. A creature. Yeah. So an animal. An animal. And other kinds of non-human things. So anything non-human. Let's try and get another picture. Oh, yeah, here we are. Creature. All right, that. Or this. Yeah. Or even this. Very good. A creature. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. Creature. Strange creatures. Did you see that creature? Yeah. Whoops. Yeah. Strange creatures live in the forest. Yeah. We saw some weird creatures last time. Yeah. Very good. These creatures all live here. So these kinds of creatures live in the water. Very good. He always takes care of his creatures. Yeah. His pets, animals, creatures. Takes care of his. Very good. She does not like that creature. Ugh. Ugh. It is a natural creature. Okay, it is a creature that can be naturally found in this area, on this continent. They found a new kind of creature. A new species of creature. Yeah. Creature. Yeah. So, those creatures hibernate in the winter when it gets cold. Ooh, yeah. So those creatures gather food for when they wake up in the spring. Okay. How cool is that? What are those creatures doing? What are those creatures doing? Yeah. I have never seen those creatures do that. I've never seen those creatures do that. When will the new creatures be on display? Yeah. Where can I see the magical creatures? Yeah. There are different creatures that go bump in the night. Yeah, go bump in the night. Let's try and get a picture. There's a certain one I'm thinking, but where is it? I can't find it. Oh, here we are. These creatures, these things, creatures. Yeah. Not quite. Oh, let's try. Yeah, here we are. Here we are. Yeah, these strange creatures. Ooh. Yeah, look at that. How cool is that? Ugh. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use creature in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.